guys! So, kakain ako ngayon ng mga candy. As, i-rate natin to guys. So, tara na. Sorry guys, yung candy na to na, alam niyo ba to guys? Na sampalok na maasim. So guys, hindi ko na to mag-rate at makakain kasi kinain ko na to kanina. So, okay lang din. And let's start. So, ito yung nauna. So, yung pangalan is Munami. So, this is and yung rate ko dito is 5 out of 10. Hindi siya masarap. And then, ito guys yung next. Let's try. Kapo? Yuck. 0 out of 10 guys. And next guys is ito yung freeze. Next.
Mura yung link? Yakap ka na mo uling yun.
9 out of 10 lang siya guys. Mangang siya at and next ito. Yung ano, champi. Yan out of 10. And next guys is tong lollipop. Masarap siya guys yung lollipop. Ito yung texture niya. 10 out of 10 guys. May amo! Bye guys. Bye.